Peace, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Shout out to everybody who has the Coolpad Legacy. If you have your Legacy in your hand right now and you're watching from your Legacy, pause the video right now and in the comment section down below type how long you've had your Coolpad Legacy and then tell me where you're from as well. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, I definitely want to cover the Coolpad Legacy in a little bit more detail. I definitely had this device for at least 6 months now because I did make a video on how to unlock it, which was actually pretty cool. This thing does have a 450 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM. It does have 32 gigabytes of storage. It does have a 6.36 inch IPS 1080 by 2160 pixel display. Now the cameras on this thing are actually pretty impressive. For the most part, you're getting a really good design, display, camera features, and the overall usability is actually one of the best parts about it. This thing came out around May in 2019, and Coolpad was, aggressively trying to hit the budget market, which was actually pretty cool. So this thing definitely came out with a huge display at 6.36 inches without a notch. It has a really nice design, as you can see on the back. Let me just put my password in. You can see this thing definitely has a really beautiful design and display. Actually, what I did notice when I was looking at it was it did say that there was a carrier service update, new available service update. And what I wanted to do was turn on Wi-Fi, hit that, and then it says, congratulations, a new software update is available for your device. Update will take approximately 10 minutes. So basically it says you will be able to use your device during this time, including the ability to call or text. You will not be able to use your device. So it basically says here to begin, install the update. And then you can see right here, it's 85 megabytes. And as you can see, I'm getting a ton of notifications. My device is actually vibrating a lot. But you can see the 16 megapixel camera at the top and the 5 megapixel with the fingerprint sensor beneath it and the flash. You do get a nice power button. It's not textured, and you do get volume rockers right up top. As you can see, up top is the headphone jack as well as a microphone, which is actually for noise cancellation. And you do get a speaker at the bottom and then a Type-C charging, as well as a microphone right down below. So you can see, I don't know who these people are. I'm just getting like mad notifications from people I don't even know. That kind of sucks, but okay, now it's done. And okay, here we go. So now it says restart your device right now. So I'm gonna go ahead, hit that button, and it says system update is installing. So that's actually pretty cool because I definitely like using this device. Let me just see what version I'm on before I even check out like what the new one is or whatever. So all you have to do is go to security, and you can see I'm on October 1st, 2019. This looks like it's the February update from 2020. So you can see the phone is actually restarting. This thing is a really beautiful device. It has a really ergonomic design. You can see the top has a really aerodynamic build. You can see Coolpad powered by Android as well, which is actually pretty nuts. This thing feels really good in the hand as well for a budget device from Metro. You look at that design. It's like Silver Surfer or Quicksilver. But that phone looks really, really nice, as you can see. Let's wait for that to actually boot right up. But it's powered by Metro Pcs. Other things to note about this thing, it's the candy bar design. It does have 282 pixels per inch, which is actually pretty sick. It's not the most in the world, but it does also have Gorilla Glass 3, which is actually nuts. because that's actually a strong material. The Note 4 had that material. And this thing is also has an IPS display. You can also expand the storage. It's running on the 9.0 Oreo, which is actually the cool UI 9.0 user interface. It doesn't have wireless charging, but it does have a headphone jack, which is actually really cool. Other things to note about this thing are just a really nice display. As you can see, it does say update is successful, which is actually really cool. Let me just check out like some other things about this device as well. The 4,000 milliamp hour battery does last a really long time, from the best of my knowledge that I've been using this thing for. And let's just go into wow, look how clean this thing feels. Holy cow. That looks clean, smooth as butter. And another thing I wanted to show you guys, did you guys see that you can get this little option here in your Google feed? You can use your Google feed here for your Coolpad, which is nuts. Right here you get all your customized, usually mine is tech and sports related. So I'm getting S20 and I'm getting sports related stuff plus tech related stuff as well. But what's really cool is you can go into this Metro section and you know, no pun intended, and you can actually see like different channels on here, which is crazy. Let me see, Metro Play. But you would actually, I have to update mine. So you make sure you update this as well, because it actually makes your phone really, really cool when you update that. Let me see, is it ready yet? It says, we're bringing you the best experience. We're bringing you a better experience. Update and enjoy. I pretty much hit that already. So we're going to go ahead and hit this button as well. And well, I was getting a notification on my Alcatel 3V right now, which is over in the background. But that update took like less than 30 seconds. I looked to the left to look at the update, look at the notification on my 3V, which is right here, and then I saw that it was already at 100%. So it's actually still loading. Is that thing done yet? Let me just, should I hit the X? Update. I'm not sure what's going on right now. It looks like it's done, but it won't finish, which is weird. Has anyone had that issue? Like, I haven't had that issue before with anything. So I'll just wait for that to actually load. Make sure you if you don't have the Coolpad, make sure you check out the Coolpad group on Facebook so you can join the community. Let me just open this up right up here, and right here I'm going to show you. It's really cool because now you're going to be able to get like a section in here where it gives you channels, so you can watch it like like Pluto TV, but you're getting like separate channels.
No finish lines.
Cadence is still too low. Try quicker step.
There's the work. It defines you. Be you.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Is that voice for the husband?
Green, make sure you check. Miss Emily, what was the
So
funniest?
this is really sick.
Pues esta semana, por supuesto, tenemos que hablar de los Oscar porque se entregan.
And you're basically one small part of the fraction. So we have to...
I mean, that's really dope. I mean, that's really sick that they have that integrated in there really nicely. And altogether, I could just say that this device is really smooth, really clean. let's go ahead and check out the update that we actually did see just a second ago that was performed on this device, and then we'll wrap up the video. But let's just go. All you have to do is go into security right there, and now you can see we're on December 1st 2019. We'll click the software update again just to make sure we're up to date or not, and we are up to date on the Android 9 program, which is actually really sick. But hope you guys did find this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you check out more videos just like this one. Also, do hit the bell as well so you can get notified for more videos just like this. But it's your boy Serrano. I'll check you out on the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace. Later, crew.